ADI Design Studio released the concept model of Tesla phone as homage to company Tesla and its products. Tesla itself has not made any official announcement for Tesla phone, and all the excitement and news on social media for Tesla phone are just based on rumors. But what if Elon Musk really decides to launch a phone? Will it revolutionize the smartphone market as all the Elon Musk products have done? And how will it affect the giants like Apple and Samsung? Let's find out. And welcome to another exciting episode of Tech News, Tesla's Pi phone, future of smartphone. Elon Musk Tesla is such a brand power that before any official announcement, people are already making plans to buy Tesla phone and move on with their current smartphone. Elon Musk has always created innovative products and devices that have gained him the people trust. He always comes up with a unique solution to those undiscovered problems which may have been ignored for decades. Like SpaceX, solving the booster relanding problem with fixed goal to reach Mars, and SpaceX now the leader private space company. Tesla's solution to run cars on battery instead of IC engines made Tesla one of the most valuable car company in the world. Neuralink efforts to link human brain to microchips. It's just like a sci-fi movie becoming reality. And Starlink, solving the everlasting connectivity problem in remote area by covering the earth with thousands of satellites, network is ready to overtake the telecom market. And now, if Tesla phone launches, people will expect something revolutionary, which will change the smartphone market. Now, as per rumors, Tesla's new product is Pi phone, and rendered by ADI Studio shows the appealing design of Pi phone. The phone will be integrated with Starlink, which already gives edge over other available smartphones, which depends on telecom service providers for internet and connectivity. Pi phone will support Neuralink, which can read your thoughts. Phone will have the capability of mining cryptocurrency Mars coin on their phone and features like connectivity with other Tesla devices. People are already saying if Elon can make rockets and cars, making phone will be easy. But giants like Nokia, BlackBerry, even Microsoft tried and failed to capture the smartphone market. So it's not going to be that easy for Tesla. Tesla's Pi phone is being compared to Apple's iPhone, and people are saying that Apple can be next Nokia. But things are very different with Apple. Apple is not always known for its innovation in smartphone. Like when all the other companies are attracting customers with foldable display, under display sensors, high refresh rate, fast charging, extended memory, etc. Apple was rather removing features which we all thought were really essential for smartphone, like removing fingerprint sensor, removing headphone jacks. In fact, it doesn't even give a headphone and a charging brick in the box if you buy a new iPhone. And still, Apple's iPhone is the most successful smartphone in the world, which shows Apple's new motto, think different but not too different. The main reason for Apple's success is their software integration and performance. Apple's iPhone performance is far superior than any other device. The iOS is the most high-end yet subtle user interface, which makes it very difficult for the users to switch to another smartphone. So if Tesla's Pi phone want to make an impact on the smartphone market, first it needs to create a user interface that is better than iOS, not only for their smartphone but for their other devices. Also, it needs to integrate our daily app use with that interface. Apart from this, it needs to develop a processor that can beat the performance of Apple devices. Tesla may attract customers with the features like Neuralink or Starlink, but it's not enough. Smartphone connects user to their daily activity, keeps the record of their fitness. They use banking services on their smartphone, even shop for groceries on their phone. They listen to music, play games, connect to social media, record their memories using smartphone camera. So things like battery life, performance, user interface, camera, durability, data protection are crucial than any other feature to keep the customer base loyal. Apple's M1 chip is already many times faster than any other chip. Its devices' performance are unmatched. iOS is the best interface available. People use same iPhone for years without any problem. And iPhone is always known for its camera quality. And Apple always focus on data protection. So Pi phone needs to develop all these to compete with iPhone. And as for Starlink itself, it cannot depend on just Pi phone or its homemade router kits. It will need to integrate with the other smartphones to capture the customers effectively. Now imagine Apple's iPhone integration with Starlink. It's enough to stop Tesla Pi phone to disrupt the smartphone market. Elon has always been near bankruptcy with his other companies before they became successful, but it survived with their hard work and focused approach. Also, there was no serious competition for SpaceX and Tesla, and it had time to cover its failures. But smartphone market is very different. With competitors like Apple, Tesla may not get time to recover. Making rockets and car may be difficult, but capturing a smartphone market is a lot harder. Considering all this, Tesla's Pi phone is not going to come anytime soon. Personally, I don't want Tesla to work on smartphones. Elon Musk always comes up with products which doesn't disrupt the existing market. but replaces the existing market entirely with new concept. Imagine instead of a phone, Elon Musk decides to work on smart glasses, which makes so much more sense. Integrated with Neuralink and Starlink, another Sky-Fi may become a reality. And not Apple or Samsung, but the very idea of smartphone will change. So Pi phone may not be real, but we can be sure that Elon Musk will launch a device beyond our imagination, which will change what we know of handheld devices. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. We bring all the latest news in the tech world.